Hello and welcome to this part of LevelHelper tutorial series. In this part we're going to talk about how to use an existing skeletal structure on another character. After you have created your sprite atlas with all the character body parts, drag each part on the canvas and put them on an appropriate location. Exactly like in the character setup tutorial, organize your body parts in a more logical hierarchy and place each part in the correct angle, position and Z order. Once you are ready, select your original skeletal structure and press Command C to copy it. You can also copy it from another document. Click on a canvas location and press Command V to paste it. Give your new skeleton an appropriate name. Unlock the connections by clicking on a nodes icon and remove the old body parts. If you drag the new body parts inside the nodes object, while the entire skeletal structure is in a different location, you will have to manually move all the bones. A simpler solution will be to first move the skeletal structure over your character body parts and then move the parts inside the nodes object. Since most certainly not all characters in your game will have the same dimensions, reposition and rotate the bones over each body part while the connections are unlocked. If you click on a bone, you will see a warning in the connections property telling you that the connected sprite is missing or not inside the nodes object. This is because the sprites have different names than the ones in the original skeletal structure. Unlock your connections and rename each sprite with the original name. When you are done renaming your sprites, all connections will now be valid. Lock the connections and go to the Simulate mode to see the test animation created on the original skeleton. When you copy a skeleton, all animations will be copied with it. In the next part, we will talk about how to create a looping walking animations on one skeleton and then copy that animation to the other's existing skeletons as well. I hope you have enjoyed this part of the tutorial series. Have fun!